Steve Hill here with Midnight Trader with another earnings update alert for you. Tuesday, the July 21st, after the market, we have Apple reporting its earnings. And in this session, we're going to have a look at how earnings have affected Apple's trading after the announcement and into the next trading day to see if there's a consistency in the reaction. This is from our earnings notebook. Over the last 6 years, 24 events, we've had something of a mixed pattern from Apple. In fact, 50% of the events, it's actually widened the next day following the reaction after hours. So if it went up in the after hours, it continued up into the next trading day. Or if it was down, it continued down into the next trading day. Not much of a pattern there for us to look at in the longer term. However, in the near term, we've seen a definite change in the pattern. The performance is looking at a reversal trend. What this means is whatever Apple's been doing in the after hours, it's given most or all of that back in the next trading day. In fact, 8 out of the last 9 quarters it has done this. The only one that it didn't do it was actually the last quarter. If we have a look at this chart here, you can see what I'm talking about. The last quarter there, we were up 2.3% in after hours following the announcement, and then it added on an extra 1.1% through to the close the next day. The numbers in red are the after hours reaction following the earnings. In blue is the total gain loss with the after hours and through to the end of the next trading day. But the prior 4 quarters you can see on the screen here, and the 4 quarters before that, which we don't have a chart here for you, you can see a consistent pattern that's emerged. What's happening is there's something of an overreaction in the after hours, and then that's clawed back the next day. And it doesn't seem to matter which direction. In fact, you have 2 quarters where there's been strong gains in after hours that have been given somewhat back the next trading day. And the first 2 quarters on the left there were drops in the after hours, but it then paired those back in the next trading day. So there's a fairly good chance, 8 out of the last 9 quarters, that whatever Apple does in after hours tonight following the earnings announcement, it may well end up reversing that in the next trading day. That's it for the alert today, and we look forward to seeing you on our next earnings update alert.